Okay, so today I have to realign my treadmill belt, so I thought I would share this. As you can see here, it needs to be realigned more to the center, so we need to go left. So there are two hex bolts right here, and I've got my Allen key here, or hex key. And what I'm doing is basically, let's pretend that this is the treadmill roller belt thing. When I go to the right here and tighten this side, what it does is it pulls this way, and then what happens is over time this will start to center the belt over to the center. This is exaggerated. It would be like such a slight little bit, and then eventually the belt will roll back. So that's what I'm doing. All right, so now with the hex key, I'm just going to do a quarter turn here, and then I'm going to turn the treadmill on, and we're going to see eventually this will shift over to the left. Okay, I can see it's slightly moved over. I'm going to do one more quarter turn here, and I think I'm good to go for this. That should be enough. All right, that's the last quarter turn. And let's fire it up one more time, and that should do it. I think I'll be happy with, that's about as center as I want it. That's fine. All right, as you can see, that looks much better. It looks more centered, but I'm going to walk on the treadmill a little bit here to make sure it doesn't go too far to the other side. So let's do that now. Okay, after walking on it for a bit there, that looks pretty good for now. I'm sure I'll have to do some slight adjustments, but yeah, that's how you do it.